a national system of education which would help build a generation of young men and women committed to Hindutva with patriotic fervor, fully developed physically, vitally, mentally, intellectually and spiritually, capable of facing the challenges of modern life situations successfully, dedicated to the service of our brothers and sisters who live in villages, forests, caves and slums, who are deprived of civilized life, so that they are released from the shackles of social evils and injustice and can devote themselves to to building up a harmonious, prosperous and cultured nation.